Hi, my name is Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to play the Theremini. The theremin is a type of electronic instrument. It's actually one of the oldest in the world. It was invented in 1919 by a Russian scientist named Leon Theremin, and he brought it to the States, where they started using it for music and horror movies and sci-fi movies. Essentially, the theremin works with radio frequencies. So the two antennas, the pitch antenna, which just goes in here, and the volume antenna. So whenever you use the theremin, you have to calibrate it to the room you're in because everything in each room will always be different. So to start to calibrate the theremin, we're going to want to turn it on. You can hear the different sounds it makes when you use the pitch antenna. And this is the volume antenna. So, to calibrate the theremin, you're going to want to press and hold setup. And then we're going to hit it again. And you want to be 4 feet away from anything that might be metal. So right now I'm on a wood table that hardly has any metal in it at all. You can also put the theremin on a microphone stand or a tripod. So, to do the calibration, it'll give you directions on screen. So we're going to move 4 feet away from the theremin. Next, we're going to hold our hand near the pitch antenna. And we're going to hold our hand far from the pitch antenna. Now we're going to hold our hand near the volume antenna. This will be the quietest point. And then far. There, your Theremini is calibrated. To make playing the Theremini easier for the first time, you're going to want to set a note range that's small enough so you don't have to move your fingers a whole bunch to get all the notes. To set the note range, you're going to want to hit setup till you hit the note range page. And from here, you'll probably want to stick with the C scale. So you'll want to have maybe 4 or 5 octaves, so you can start with C2 for your low and C6. So the finger techniques that are usually used for the theremin were developed by Clara Rockmore, who is widely regarded as one of the best thereminists in the world. So how she does it is she starts with tiny finger movements. She'll have her hand like this, and you'll slowly move your fingers out till they're fully extended. And this usually gets you to go up by 1 note at a time. So it's important to remember that anytime you move, the sound of the theremin can change as well. So once you start practicing with your finger movements, then you can start working with the volume as well. It's very hard to do it together, so don't get discouraged if you can't get it right off the bat.